Hey guys, a very good morning and welcome back to the channel, Mumbaikar Boy. Of course, today is a beautiful day for me because I'm getting Layla ready for this beautiful ride that I'm going to do. In the month of August, it's my birthday ride to Ladakh. It's my dream ride from the past 3 or 4 years, where unfortunately every time I had work coming in, but this time I'm going to actually go ahead and complete this ride with 5 friends. So today's video is not only about the ride, it's also about going to give you a small story from the Bonnie Sony Motors brothers, because their experience when they first rode to Ladakh in 1996 when there were no roads, and of course getting the bike ready as well. So stay tuned and enjoy this small little vlog with information and a lot more. So what we're going to do today is basically do the oil change. We're going to check the oil filter as well and see what. So this is the oil we're going to actually put Motul, the 10W50. Yes, I've got it on a discount because the Bikers Club, the Rough and Tough guys have given us a discount. I'm going to change the brake cable. This is a clutch cable as well. So in case there's any issues, it's all on the new cables and there's no issues when you're doing approximately 7,000 plus kilometers. And of course my full key set, because my key was giving an issue. So I'm changing the entire full key set right now. So you can see Bonnie is the eldest, this is Sony, and that is the smallest fellow, Monty. So yes, we are going here. We're going actually started the work right now. I told them that I'll come at 10 o'clock and I'm here sharp. So he's actually getting the key set done first. So that is the first task that we're going to do. You can see the main ignition switch, the new one is going back in. We're just actually installing that right here. You can see the oil change is in process, and that's the quality of the oil. Damn. So this is the oil recommended at the moment. It is a very good oil by Motul. It is 100% synthetic, as you can see, and it's 10W50. So I would advise anyone who's putting the oil for the interceptors, please try this. It's 100% synthetic oil, and trust me, you will feel the difference of the bike. So we've got the new oil filter as well in place. Now the only problem with the new bikes is we cannot flush it with petrol. Initially in my Electra and stuff, and even in the Thunderbird, we used to put petrol and flush everything because it was different chambers. But in these bikes we cannot do that. So unfortunately we'll have to put the oil, the fresh oil, back into the bike, and that's exactly how you actually go ahead and do it. है ना? So we're putting the clutch cable now. So I decided to actually put a brand new cable and keep it. So this will, the life for this cable will be much more than the one. So I'm going to keep the old one as a spare. It's right there, you can see it. So I'm going to keep that as a spare. And this is Sony actually going ahead and installing the new one. It's a good idea because this is a brand new and it will stay for a long time.
लूज है ना,
हाँ,
इसको लूज कर दो। इस पर जितना हाथ से ज़्यादा जाने दो, बाद में इसको टाइट कर दो।
हेलो, वो साइड वाले को ये साइड लाना है,
लूज करना है तो इसको लगे जाना है।
So you can see these are the new ones, how thick they are, and this is how the old ones are worn out actually. So lucky that I got them changed, and thank you so much to Sony actually. And these are by Endurance. So Monty has gone for a test ride to feel the bike. So we're almost done with the bike. We've actually done the oil change. We've changed the switch, the main switch, ignition switch, and the other three as well. We have changed the clutch cable, which is much more important. The clutch plates are okay, so we don't need to change the clutch plates. I'm carrying the extra clutch cable. The brake shoe for the rear tire has been changed. The front did not need to be changed. So I'm going to carry tubes, the front and the rear. I need to carry the tubes and 2 spark plugs as well. So that's basically what is left. I think Naila is all good to go for the ride, and we should try keeping her on for the next 13 days, because 14th is when I leave to Mumbai. So I have Bonnie over here. Bonnie was sharing with me his experience in 1996. Bonnie भाई आप बताओ वापस viewers के लिए कि आपका experience क्या था, कैसा था जब रास्ते नहीं थे. आप मेरे को सब स्टोरी बता रहे थे कल.
उस टाइम पे तो रास्ता थे ही नहीं. हमने जैसे कैसे तो निकाल तो दिख है रोहतांग पास, फर्स्ट पास, उसके बाद सडनली कोक्सर, जहाँ पे अभी ये नया टनल निकला है कोक्सर, आफ्टर द ब्रिज के बाद से एक नाला है पानी का. वो मतलब नाला ओके, नॉर्मल स्लो वाटरफॉल इज देयर.
ओके.
उसका नाम उधर के लोकल पब्लिक लोगों ने नाम ही रख दिया कि पागल नाला.
ओ.
पागल नाला मीन्स अभी सडनली आपको इतना पानी दिख रहा है कि आप एक बकेट भर सकते हो 5 मिनट में.
करेक्ट.
और सडनली इतना पानी आया था वहाँ पे कि ट्रक का ट्रक अवे हो जाता है इतना. उसका नाम ही पागल नाला. तो वो क्रॉस करने के बाद एक 18 किलोमीटर का डिस्टेंस था, जो कि आपको नून मतलब आफ्टरनून 3 बजे से पहले वो रोड
क्रॉस करना है. हाँ.
नहीं तो वो नीचे का रिवर का पानी ऑन द रोड, तो bike is not possible at all. Even the jeep was very difficult at that time.
Okay.
Now the road is much better. Now even bicycling also is possible. In 96 there was no road at all. That was really difficult. And
How many years were you in Manali?
I was for 21 years in
Oh,
Old
wow.
Manali.
Old Manali. Okay.
Opposite Mundan's Cafe and the government school.
Oh, wow.
That was my workshop. And I stopped because in 2013 I was the last over there, and that's all. And then I stopped. Just moved to Goa.
So what do you think about riding experience now in Ladakh and when it was in 1996?
Now it's so easy. Now it's kind of like okay, it's good for bikers, but at that time, me and my older brother, first time we went to Leh, that was our touring ourselves.
Uh-huh.
And at that time on the road there were so many people we found they were stuck. We repair here, we repair there. So when we reached to Leh, and we count our pocket, no, we count how much money we expend, and when we count, actually we didn't expend anything, we earn. So that was the first experience. So why not we do the business of back
Going there.
yeah. So there was like 10 bikers, 15 bikers, we were giving a backup to them. Anything happened on the road, we repair, we just pass. That was the beginning, and then the business just increased. Then we had a package tour from foreigners, from Holland, from England, from Germany, from Israel.
Wow.
So then we hired a jeep. We were sitting in the jeep just behind them. Anything happens to them,
Like a
we repair on the
vehicle,
road.
vehicle jaisa.
And that I did. The last was in 2009. I did
Wow.
a load, so and that's all. That was my last in 2009.
आपको वो मैसेज क्या देना चाहते हो जब नए बाइकर्स जाते हैं, उनको क्या बाइक का ख्याल रखना पड़ता है, क्या करना पड़ता है बिफोर डूइंग द लद्दाख, एंड हाउ हाई is the altitude for people who actually have breathing issues?
Now there is not that difficult. At that time there was very difficult to reach to the pass. The road was very damaged, so it was. Now it takes 3 hours. That time it was taking 6 hours.
Okay.
From Manali to Leh, we were doing it in 3 days.
हाँ.
Minimum in 3 days. Sometimes it was taking us to 4 days also. Now the roads are much better, much better.
बाइक के बारे में आपको क्या बताना है, बाइक को क्या करना पड़ेगा?
बाइक देखिए, आप जाने से पहले एक बार तो गाड़ी की पूरी अच्छी तरह सर्विस करवाएं. टायर शुड बी ब्रांड न्यू. Should not play the tire. Tire should be perfect before you move out from your place. change the cables, check the chain set, both liners, both brakes should be brand new, and the oil should be changed, filters should be changed, because of there is no oxygen, so the filter should not be blocked.
Okay.
Air filter has to be new one
Okay.
or clean.
Perfect. I think that is much. Thank you so much, Bonnie bhai. Thank you so much for this. I have been with Bonnie from 2011 when I first bought my Electra. From that time, I've been coming here. Thank you so much, Bonnie bhai. See you soon, and thank you so
care.
much for
Safe
all.
ride, man.
Thank you. So finally, I finished doing Laila. Well, she's all ready for this beautiful ride to Ladakh, which will start from Goa on the 14th, and I start ride off. My ride off to Ladakh from Mumbai is on 18th. Well, till then, stay tuned. I hope this video was helpful to many who are planning to actually go to Ladakh. This is Mumbaikar Boy saying thank you. See you on a next vlog.